Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. Come see the car for yourself.